Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan expresses full confidence in Pakistan nuclear capability. Prime Minister Imran Khan has visited the National Command Authority nuclear facility of the Strategic Forces Command. Ceasefire on LOC in first step to normal bilateral ties. Indian Army Chief General Narawan has said that holding the ceasefire between Pakistan and India along the line of control has been the first step toward a long road of normalization of bilateral ties. PPP and P decide to form new alliance. Pakistan People's Party and Awami National Party rather have decided against rejoining Pakistan Democratic Movement and agreed to form a new alliance. COVID-19 cases going down in Punjab, says Health Minister. Punjab Health Minister Dr. Yasmin Rashid said that the coronavirus cases going down in the province. Health Minister said that in last 24 hours, 696 positive cases of coronavirus and 22 deaths reported in the province. NIH released detail of patient infected with Indian strain of COVID-19. The National Institute of Health has said that a passenger with Indian variant of coronavirus was reached Pakistan on May 8. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.